condenser is a device that dissolves gas through the cooling process. It consists of a fan, condenser coil, compressor, etc. Condensers are an essential component of HVAC devices and come in various shapes and sizes. There are three main types of condensers. 1. Air-cooled condenser. These enable an efficient refrigeration system. It's kept outside, is easy to install, and transfers heat to the outdoors in real time, besides being cost-effective. It's commonly used in household ACs, refrigerators, etc. 2. Water-cooled condenser. It transfers heat from refrigerant vapor through running water. It's efficient and easy to install. It's mainly used for swimming pools and city condensers pipes. 3. Evaporative condenser. It consists of a coil that cools the sprayed water passing through the cold air. A cooling effect takes place inside the coil after the water evaporates. It's the least commonly used condenser type. Common problems with HVAC include 1. Dirty filters. A dirty filter can prevent circulation of air and cause discomfort. 2. Faulty thermostats. A defective thermostat can often result in air conditioning malfunction. 3. Water leaks. Cracks and clogs in the furnace can disrupt the system. 4. Wear and tear. Mechanical wear and tear can affect system's performance. 5. Ignition problems. Flame sensor, burners or delayed ignition, pilot outage, and furnace lockout, insufficient gas supply, wear and tear can cause ignition problems. HVAC can frequently develop problems which could be due to excessive HVAC system usage can result in high cost of electricity bills. Home appliances emit heat and can affect cooling. Heat leakage in winters can often go undetected and affect the system. Lack of maintenance can result in system failure. Incorrect installation in the first place can affect the working of HVAC. Other problems include bad brazing, welding, electrical connections, and non-sealed duct connections in your system. You can schedule routine maintenance with a professional in case of high electric bills. For more HVAC videos, be sure to click the subscribe button. Also, if you'd like to know more about this topic, go to HVACFreelancer.com, or you can click the link below in the description.